friends, this is Somnath Bharti, your MLA, and today for Green Park, Maine, though for my constituency it's now an experiment which I've been doing for last almost 2 months, but for Mohalla 19, that is Green Park, Maine, this is for the first time. This I devised when I found out myself cornered because of Corona, कि किसी से मिल नहीं सकता. आपके विधानसभा में बहुत सारा कुछ नया हुआ, and we have to our credit that we are the first constituency across the nation we succeeded to have something called Mohalla Sabha, wherein monthly meetings were scheduled meeting. It's not that I'm coming on somebody's request. For example, for Mohalla 19, there is Mohalla Green Park, Maine, के लिए मैं हर महीने के 19th को आने का प्रयत्न करता रहा. तो करीब करीब हर 19th को आया, कभी 10 लोग आए, कभी 20 लोग आए, कभी 30 लोग आए. लेकिन ये प्रक्रिया हमने शुरू की, और सबसे बड़ी जो चीज होती है कि चुने जाने के बाद चुना हुआ व्यक्ति जनता को उपलब्ध हो पाता है कि नहीं आसानी से. कॉन्टैक्ट से तो उपलब्ध होना आसान है, लेकिन सबको उपलब्ध होना संभव है कि नहीं, ये हमने प्रयास किया. साथियों, जब से कोरोना आया एक नई व्यवस्था शुरू होगी कि भाई हम किसी को छू नहीं सकते, किसी से मिल नहीं सकते, बिकॉज दिस वाज कम्युनिकेबल. दैट इज द मोमेंट यू टच समबडी यू आल्सो गेट अफेक्टेड, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस टूल कॉल्ड दैट इज योर कंस्टिट्यूएंसी. मालवीय विधानसभा के क्रेडिट में एक और चीज आ गई कि जी हम ई मोहल्ला मीटिंग करेंगे. तो ई मोहल्ला मीटिंग का जो शुरुआत हमने पहले किया, इसकी प्रशंसा माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ने भी की, और सबको पता है कि बड़ा अच्छा स्ट्रेंथनिंग डेमोक्रेसी का टूल है. तो इसके जरिए आज घर बैठे आप अपने अपने घरों में बैठे हो, आपको निकले कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ा. तो मुझे लगता है कि जो फिजिकल हमारी मोहल्ला मीटिंग हो रही थी उससे ज्यादा पावरफुल है. आप अपने जो आपका इसमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग है वो भी रखिएगा कि आप कैसे पसंद करते हैं, क्या इसमें और ऐड कर सकते हैं. लेकिन मुझे लगा कि जब हम फिजिकल मीटिंग करते थे तो उसमें इट वाज सॉर्ट ऑफ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर एवरीबॉडी टू कम टू दैट हाउस और दैट प्लेस और दैट और RWA office etc. So in this, let's say Durgesh is sitting somewhere abroad and he wants to join the meeting because he has to communicate to his MLA something. तो अब्रॉड से भी लिंक पे जाकर के आप लॉग ऑन हो सकते हो, आप अपनी बात मेरे पास रख सकते हो. सो ये जो सुविधा मुझे दिख रही है, this has taken our constituency to the next level. we were the first to start मोहल्ला WhatsApp groups, जिसमें कि irrespective of the duration, irrespective of the time, irrespective of your location, जब मर्जी चाहे जाकर के वहां पे आप कह दें और आपकी समस्या रजिस्टर हो गई. फिर ये रहा कि भाई सोमनाथ भारती का दायित्व हो गया. तो ये जो अकाउंटेबिलिटी हमने शुरू की, जिसका परिणाम ये रिजल्ट, ये चुनाव रहा, आपने देखा करीब करीब हर बूथ पे आप आ गए थे, हर बूथ पे करीब करीब. तो ये डेमोक्रेसी में ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट और जनता का ऐसा एक्सेप्टेंस और जो आपने प्यार और मोहब्बत दी है, इसका उदाहरण इतिहास में नहीं है. पिछले 3 महीने से जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है तब से मेरी उपलब्धता 24 घंटे की हो गई, 24 से और कह सकते 36 घंटे की हो गई. मतलब ऐसा मैं अपने आप को उपलब्ध कराया हूं कि कई सारे आपने इंस्टांसेस देखे हैं, खाने से लेकर के, राशन बांटने से लेकर के, सब्जी बांटने से लेकर के, और सैनिटाइजेशन का काम, मजदूरों को 5,000 रुपया प्रति जो हमने मजदूर को दिए, हेल्प दिया, यहाँ तक कि शमशान घाट तक. तो मैंने अपने आप को समर्पित किया हुआ है. इसका उदाहरण कई सारे मिल जाएंगे आपको इस कोरोना काल के दौरान. हमारा मोहल्ला सभा, मोहल्ला व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और आज ई मोहल्ला, ये तीनों चीजें मालवीय नगर असेंबली को अलग रखती है. मैं बार बार इस बात को कहता हूं कि अगर ढंग से हम सुचारू रूप से मोहल्ला सभा चलाएं तो बाकी दोनों जो सांसद और पार्षद, उनको भी एक तरह से मिल सकता है कि जी हम भी आए इसके ऊपर. अगर जनता फोर्स करे, जनता ने सिद्ध कर दिया कि सोमनाथ भारती का जनता को उपलब्ध हुआ तो जनता भी उपलब्ध रही. तो ये बहुत बड़ी सीख है राजनीतिक लोगों के लिए जो कि करोड़ों खर्च करना चाहते हैं चुनाव जीतने के लिए, लेकिन आसान सा फॉर्मूला सोमनाथ भारती के पास। तो ये मैं आपसे कम्युनिकेट करना चाह रहा था। जब आप अपनी बात रखें तो दो चीजें ख्याल रखें। एक तो कैसा ये मोहल्ला एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको लग रहा है, क्या इसमें और क्या ऐड करें कि घर बैठा व्यक्ति, इसमें मैं भी उपलब्ध हो गया, आपको और लोग भी उपलब्ध हो गए, सब लोग एक दूसरे के सुन रहे हैं, और कई लोगों को मैं देख रहा हूँ सबका चेहरा बदल चुका है, कोरोना इफेक्ट रहा है। तो कोरोना इफेक्ट ने सबको एक दूसरे से, जो कि पहली बार हो सकता है कई लोग दूसरे को देख रहे होंगे, तो अच्छा रहेगा, एक दूसरे को सुन भी पाएंगे, सुना भी पाएंगे, मुझे भी सुन पाएंगे, मुझे सुना पाएंगे। तो ये ई मोहल्ला टेक्नोलॉजी इनेबल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म ये बहुत दूर तक ले जाएगी डेमोक्रेसी को, और बहुत दूर तक ले जाएगी स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी को। तो अब हम रवि को बोलेंगे एक एक करके आपको ले लें। जब भी आप अपनी बात रखें तो साइड रहें, आप कोरोना काल के दौरान की चर्चा भी कर सकते हैं, और आप जो कोई समस्या आपको क्षेत्र में हो उसकी चर्चा भी कर सकते हैं। जी रवि,
अपने अपना वीडियो बंद करके रखा है क्योंकि शक्लें इतनी बिगड़ी हुई हैं, nobody wants to come up.
No, bhai. Not it. I think Mr. Bharti is looking very handsome.
For men it is fine.
ओके सर, मैं सबसे पहले जी सर संयुक्ता जी को पहले ले रहा हूँ। संयुक्ता जी बोलिए।
हेलो
जी नमस्कार।
यस
नमस्ते। एक्चुअली मेरा एक क्वेरी था कि हमारा जो हाउस होल्ड हेल्प हेलो
जी बताएं।
हाँ, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि मेरा हाउस होल्ड हेल्प गया हुआ है बिहार। सो वंस ही कम्स बैक, डिसाइड्स टू कम बैक, आई हैव टोल्ड हिम कि मैं यहाँ से पता करके बताऊंगी कि क्या इंतजाम है, कहाँ रहना पड़ेगा बिफोर ही रीजॉइंस अस। तो उसके बारे में जो प्रोटोकॉल है वो मैं जानना चाह रही थी।
द डे ही रीचेज, जिस भी दिन पहुंचता है
जी,
आप इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए, मैं एडवांस में उनका कोरोना टेस्ट तुरंत करा देंगे।
अच्छा
और उसका जो अभी तो 15 मिनट वाला आ गया है, तो टेस्ट कराओ और घर जाओ, तो 15 मिनट्स में वो कोरोना पॉजिटिव है कि नेगेटिव है बता देंगे आप, और फिर उसको आप यूज करें।
There is no need for a 14-day quarantine.
I think
positive. Of course.
I don't think so. I don't think so. But otherwise, रवि नोट कर लीजिएगा, हम ग्रुपों में डाल भी देंगे, क्योंकि अच्छी जानकारी मैडम पूछ रही हैं।
जी सर।
So let us put this information also in the groups. कि जो स्टेट से लोग आ रहे हैं, बाहर से तो लोग आ रहे हैं, उनको तो करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन जो डिफरेंट स्टेट से दिल्ली में लोग आ रहे हैं उनको करना है कि नहीं करना है, इस पे क्या क्लैरिटी है। मेरी नजर में तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो हम बता देंगे।
अच्छा, थैंक यू सो मच।
जी, और चूंकि मैडम ने पूछा है तो मैं सबको बता दूं, अब कोरोना का जांच बहुत फास्ट हो रहा है, और जहां कहेंगे वहां लगवा देंगे कैंप। अभी हमने कल एक जगह लगाया गौतम नगर में, तो 70 लोगों में से 10 लोग निकले कोरोना पॉजिटिव और असिम्प्टोमेटिक थे। असिम्प्टोमेटिक मुसीबत क्या है कि वो खुद के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन बाकियों के लिए मुसीबत है। अगर कोई कमजोर हाथ वाला व्यक्ति, अगर कमजोर शरीर वाला व्यक्ति, कोई किसी को उन्होंने छू दिया, तो कमजोर शरीर रहने के कारण उनको मुसीबत हो जाएगी। इसलिए असिम्प्टोमेटिक को भी बच के रहना है, क्वारंटाइन करके रहना है, और जांच जब कहेंगे हम ग्रीन पार्क मेन का जो आरडब्ल्यू का ऑफिस है वहां लगवा देंगे।
थैंक यू।
ये टेस्ट मुफ्त में होगा, इसमें कोई चार्ज नहीं करेंगे।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर। नेक्स्ट आलोक जी हैं।
आलोक जी।
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can
जी
hear you.
नमस्कार।
Aji, good evening, sir. How are you?
गुड इवनिंग जी, बताएं।
Sir, generally, I think now things are moving pretty well on the COVID-19. I have just one simple question, that as and when some COVID patient is spotted in a colony, we have seen sometimes outside that house, there's a nameplate with COVID positive is there. Sometimes it is not there.
Ji.
What is the reason for that? We probably think that if it happens that if every house gets a plate, then people know about it. But if there is a COVID patient and the plate is not there, why it is happening that this situation is not uniform?
Alok bhai, what happens that because there are many laboratories now, and these laboratories have to communicate the results to the area DM, district magistrate.
Okay.
So this communication at times take time. At times they have, that's why the figures have been not matching at times. No.
Okay.
So there are a couple of laboratories, I would not like to name them, who are unfortunately not working in sync with the government. And that is why the government had cancelled their licenses, which then the government had attracted criticism also. But what to do? I mean, laboratories have sort of, been so irresponsible that they are not communicating because for whatever reason. In fact, I was told today that a couple of houses in my colony, they are so privileged that they have managed to tell the concerned officers that please do not put anything on my house. Getting me? So,
fine.
So now it came to my knowledge. So because of this delay only, things are happening. But the government is working hard. Authorities are working very hard to match up, to catch up with the data. And now, in fact, the testing has gone up. Like yesterday, it was 20,000 testing was done in Delhi in one day. Today also it's going up. In my own constituency, it was done 2,000 almost. Like in my constituency, it was around 500. Let's say. I've got 4 locations today as of going on as of today where the test is going on. One is in this Madan Mohan Malviya Hospital. One is in Gandhi Park, Haudarani Mohalla Clinic. One is in this Mother and Child Welfare Dispensary of Haj Khas. One is in Begumpur Dispensary. So, अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? अब जहाँ कहीं वहाँ करते हैं, तो जहाँ कहीं मालूम पड़ेगी कि इनके पास हो रखा है लेकिन उन्होंने नहीं बोर्ड लगाया, मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन भेज दो, सिस्टम में डलवा दूंगा, तुरंत हो जाएगा.
Thank you. Can I ask one more question, please?
Please.
Since you're dealing with so many RWAs and so many people, I just want to take advice. Does it help that if on your security gates, you start taking temperature of the people and try to sort of identify, does it really help or it's an eyewash? Because as long as people are maintaining social distance or wearing a mask, it's become a very big issue in RWA that people say that you should put guards there, you should take temperature there. Does it really help?
What has happened, Alok, that the kind of reactions and responses the government gave in the beginning when we announced the entire country to be locked down. Now that proportionality, that is with which the government responded, the same is being carried forward by the RWAs also.
Okay.
It has become so serious. Everybody has become so serious about it that they want to be, on the safer side always. And that is why a couple of RWAs became, sort of very, very sensitive.
Okay.
That they want to check it, they want to, disallow maids, they want to disallow servants, etc. Okay. And that is why this became an issue. Otherwise, RWAs were not ill-intentioned. They were good intent. But communication became the problem. The problem was that those, in fact, every colony like your also, you don't have every house is a member of your RWA. Not every house is there. So those who are not members, they become very finicky when when RWA says, no, I want to test your maid now. So
yes, I agree with you.
Has to be bridged. So bridging the gap.
Yes.
That's the whole problem. Otherwise, I think more concern for safety and security of the residents, it's better. But there should be some communication gap bridging arrangement.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks for your time.
Ji.
Thank you. Sir, next is Mr. Durgesh.
Good evening, Bharti ji. It's such a pleasure to always talk to you, see you. and to be able to share our thoughts across the board with you. So I start off by saying that आपने जो मोहल्ला सभा का जो platform create किया था, 19 मोहल्ला सभा, that was a very good initiative that you took. And can I request the admin to mute?
बाकी लोग को mute कर दें, रवि.
Yeah.
Automatically mute.
हाँ, so जो आपने platform create किया था, that was a wonderful platform that you created, and under your guidance, under your motivation, I became the first मोहल्ला सभा coordinator for 19 MS. And अगर आप जाके वो group पे देखें, so it was created by me on 13th of August 2016, before 15th of August ceremony जो आपके office में हम लोगों ने करी थी, flag raising ceremony. So even उस time पे भी अपना Green Park RWA का group भी नहीं बना था, and it was a difficult sort of a phase to go to each and every household and convince them that our MLA wants to connect with you and make them members. We have Anita Singh ji over here. I remember I visited her home and उनके बहुत सारे questions थे कि क्यों मैं इस group को join करूं. So it was an interesting period which we sort of sailed through, and now it's like 3 years, almost 4 years now. So मेरे कुछ suggestions हैं, if I may be allowed to share those suggestions with you on this platform. मेरा एक suggestion है, in order to build up the audience, like अभी जैसे हम देख रहे हैं, there are maximum 14 people in this sort of a meeting, whereas I feel कि ये एक ऐसा platform है जो कि as compared to the previous platform जहाँ आप किसी घर जा रहे थे, this is a very easy platform जहाँ पे आप अपने घर से अपने time पे सहूलियत पे you can get connected with your MLA and share your concerns. So I believe इसमें maximum participation बिल्कुल होना चाहिए, and reasons for not participating will go down अगर if the notice of such a meeting comes 24 hours in advance. आज का हो सकता है it was just maybe the first time, so obviously teething problems आती हैं. So that is my first suggestion. Second suggestion I believe is that if this message can also be posted on the RWA group. I am unsure if this message was posted on the RWA group because मैंने देखा नहीं, maybe it skipped my attention, and if it was, then maybe we need to just push it up, and if it wasn't, then maybe we can post this message to connect with the MLA on the RWA group also. उसमें wider circulation हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा. तीसरा मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था कि गोइंग फॉरवर्ड जैसे आपने बोला कि क्या-क्या चीजें हम कर सकते हैं, मे बी फॉर एवरी एमएस मीटिंग वी कैन फिक्स एन एजेंडा कि इस एजेंडा पे बात होगी, एंड दैट विल फिल्टर आउट द पीपल हु वांट टू एसोसिएट देमसेल्व्स विद दैट एजेंडा. उसमें ये होगा कि पीपल मे वांट टू स्पीक अबाउट समथिंग which is not a part of that agenda, and they may not be there, or people who want to speak about that agenda, they can be there. So it's important कि अगर हम agenda fix कर लें किसी meeting का. And one request I believe I would like to make to the RWA as well, and to your good office as well, considering this COVID situation, if some sort of a ready reference or a protocol can be issued on WhatsApp with the do's and don'ts, not necessarily the do's and don'ts, basically the things to do if somebody discovers a family or a member of the family is a COVID patient. मतलब what are the steps to do, कहाँ पे जाना चाहिए, some sort of a data bank की blood bank के लिए आप यहाँ पे refer करें, these are the hospitals, मतलब one stop information कहीं पे मिल जाए, तो maybe that will serve the purpose for everybody. So these are my sort of 2 cents for your good office. Thank you.
No, very good. And I remember you started my Mohalla Sabha in Green Park, and I acknowledge that officially. And see, why initially there was a hesitation, because no politician has made himself available in this manner.
Right.
It requires a lot of courage to be available all the time, because you have to answer questions.
Right.
And when it becomes very easy, then people will ask questions at any point of time. Getting me?
Right.
Otherwise, for you to go to somebody's house and you are in a certain frame of mind, there you will not ask those questions, So here it becomes very easy.
Really?
So people I want people to be that way, but you have to be responsible also at times. That it is not only a Mohalla Sabha. There is an official group of Somnath Bharti where MLA is available. MLA is listening. Right. This is my virtual office. I'm always available there. I'm always listening. So people have to responsibly use it and understand that it requires a lot of hard work to ensure that everybody's grievance gets addressed in time. and I would need volunteers. You were a volunteer. It's not very easy to work with me because I am not of the kind of BJP or Congress. So I would want my volunteers, and volunteer get nothing from me. They work selflessly, and then they get sort of attacked, and they would be abused at times. So it's very, very difficult. So I hats off to my volunteers, hats off to everybody who has been contributing. So that is not Mrs. Rao has been, Krishna Rao ji has been listening. Everybody's sort of, she gets at times agitated. What to do? She's so committed. You were so committed. So everybody has to understand this. Number one. Yeah. My purpose, Durgesh, is that ultimately one member from one house gets hooked to the Mohalla Sabha. Then there is no role of any middleman. Then everything goes away. Then Janta, Somnath Bharti, and the Mohalla coordinator. That's all. Okay. That becomes very, very powerful tool being available all the time. Second is, when you said about this COVID thing, I have already started making one document wherein all informations are there, and I'll be releasing it possibly in a day or two. Ravi, kab tak tayar ho jayega ye document?
Max by tomorrow.
Okay. By tomorrow we'll have the document ready, which has got everything.
Okay. So that will be a good help and very reference for everybody, basically.
Yeah, for everybody. And I should tell you that my Mohalla clinic doctors, they are already on board. So today, anybody who has become COVID positive, I pass on that number to my Mohalla clinic doctor, and Mohalla clinic doctor is constantly available to that person. As and when they want to have any query, they send to the doctor. When doctor advises, then it becomes more satisfactory, more relaxing. Okay, and that is why we already built a network of doctors who are available to you all the time. Anybody who wants a ICU bed, anybody who wants a COVID care center, everything is available. I am always available. Mohalla Sabha is a platform where you can post it, and we'll give you the information. And the document will come to you in a day's time.
Thank you so much, Marty. Thank you.
Such a pleasure to see you. Thank you.
My pleasure as well.
The next is Namita ji.
जी
नमस्कार भारती जी।
जी नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप?
बस बढ़िया। सो दिस हाँ मैं कर रही हूँ।
अच्छा
हाँ
जी 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 जी
हाँ। सो द आइडिया ऑफ दिस ई मोहल्ला सभा इज क्योंकि एज यू सेड घर बैठे हम आपसे इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं, so no doubt about it that this is a wonderful way to interact, much better than doing a face-to-face meeting. In fact, I think because more people can participate and very easily. So that is one thing. For queries, one was regarding contact tracing. So now that we have been having some cases in Green Park, I am not aware of any information as to whether contact tracing for those cases has been done, and because there are only few shops around where we all go for our daily needs. So whether those people have visited those shops in the past and when, that information should be available to all of us to figure out if we have by chance come in contact with any of them. So this is one concern that I have, which I want you to address. And
hello. जी, I can listen to you.
Yeah. ठीक है. So एक मेरा वो मेजर कंसर्न है क्योंकि किसी भी केस में हमने कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं हमें अवेलेबल है कि वो लोग किन लोगों के कांटेक्ट में आए थे, कहाँ गए थे पिछले 7 दिन में या 14 दिन में. So that's one question I have. And second thing I have is that as far as this rapid testing is concerned, what my understanding, I've been reading up since day before yesterday when this started. What my understanding was that this rapid testing is to be done only in containment zones because it gives a lot of false negatives. So I don't know. I mean, आप बता रहे हैं कि you are putting up centers and anybody can go and get tested. So if it is giving false negatives, then is that the right thing to do? I mean, please get more details on this. I'm a layman, so I don't know. So that I would request you to get more details and tell us also. These are the two issues I have. Okay.
Both the questions are answered together because they're linked to each other. So once you say that contact tracing, DM's office, district magistrate, is the nodal officer of the entire district, and he is assisted by different SDMs. So our DM is Dr. B.M. Misra, who is a Delhi government official. Our SDM, who is Corona specific, this management, he has been on the job all the time. Then we have a set of people headed by CDMO, and that gentleman is assisted by a set of doctors who are onto checking, COVID positive patients, their management, they are going where, contact tracing, correct. Now, since this department has been constantly on the job of tracing the contacts, that should start with first time, the way Alok said, because there are a couple of the centers, testing centers, who are not providing the data to the management. The moment data reaches this district magistrate office, officially this should have been reaching within 1 minute, let's say, had it been honestly been transmitting, sort of. But then because of this, all these loopholes, data is not reaching immediately. So the moment you ensure that data reaches to this office, they will do contact tracing on their own. They're doing it. Okay, so number one. Number two, this rapid testing affair, what I found out yesterday was that, so they said the moment it is positive, if it gives positive, then it is positive, 100% positive. Okay, but if it is negative, then because of previous news items, etc., people had developed this negative doesn't mean negative, it may be positive also. So what do they do? Every negative gets double checked. The moment you're negative, you get double checked, and then if you have symptoms and you're coming negative, then you will be put to the earlier testing methodology.
Okay.
If you have symptoms and if you have you're coming negative, then they will immediately put you to the earlier methodology in which they take 24 hours to give you the results.
Okay.
So that's how it is being managed.
Sorry.
So yes, like yesterday,
so if
I was at the Madan Mohan Malviya Hospital, I was at Gautam Nagar Center. So wherever we found that, I think it was one case in Gautam Nagar, that he had symptoms like he was having some breathlessness and it came negative. Then immediately the system picked up. I was also there. System picked him up and took the sampling for the other method. And then that was sent immediately to the lab. And he was quarantined. He was quarantined and he was put to, his test was put to the other method.
Okay, that's very good to know. So this contact tracing, if they are doing it, shouldn't that be shared with people in the vicinity, in the colony?
नहीं, क्या हो रहा है कि sort of stigma is getting attached. I mean, sort of वैसे आप लोग तो पढ़े लिखे society से आ रहे हो क्या रहा है कि the moment somebody comes to know कि ये COVID positive है, तो वो उसकी family सभी लोग को ना कि भाई चलो दूर हटो kind of is happening. The social exclusion started happening. So whenever such information is coming, then it is being, I mean, anybody who has come in the contact, so that person is getting quarantined. They are not asking the question to you. Let's say I get infected, for example, then anybody who has come in my contact will also put to the test. Okay. So they ask me, आप किस-किस के पास गए थे? तो मैं 4-5 लोगों का जिसका भी नाम लूंगा, they all will be put to test and जो प्रोसेस है फॉलो होगा. अगर उसको सिम्टम्स हैं तो हॉस्पिटल ले जाएंगे, सिम्टम्स नहीं हैं और अगर पॉजिटिव आ गया, असिम्प्टोमेटिक है तो वो जो क्वारंटाइन सेंटर ले जाएंगे. घर में क्वारंटाइन कर देगा, तो प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाता है, लेकिन उसके अनाउंसमेंट नहीं करते हैं।
Okay, so that is as far as the personal contacts are concerned. But जैसे अगर कोई किसी particular shop को visit कर चुका है पिछले 7 दिन में, and at that time there were some people about it nobody will know. We are told that this person visited this shop at this time. If any of you were around, please come forward, because that person might not even know.
I'll come back to you after talking to the DM, district magistrate.
Sure. All right.
That whether he's doing this or not. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So next is Neeta ji.
Is it me? I'm Neeta. Can I talk? Is it my name?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
नमस्कार भारती जी, मैं डॉक्टर नीता हूँ। सबसे पहले तो मैं आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी। आपने एक पेशेंट के लिए मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी, और मैं बल्कि सबको बताना चाहूँगी कि भारती जी एक पेशेंट के लिए ऑलमोस्ट पूरी रात हमारे साथ भागदौड़ करते रहे। एक पेशेंट को हमें एडमिट कराना था और बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे थे, तो भारती जी ने आउट ऑफ वे जाके बहुत हेल्प करी इस पेशेंट की, और अब वो पेशेंट बिल्कुल ठीक है, जो कि बिल्कुल मतलब he was trying to do suicide, so we actually saved his life. He was diagnosed as corona positive and we were not able to take him into a hospital, where only with his intervention we could take him to the hospital, and now he is hale and hearty. So first of all, thank you so much Bharti ji for that.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah. And answering Namita's question, which is quite genuine, we all are going through so much anxiety, fear that is there. But if suppose we have gone to a shop also, or where somebody has done some shopping, we will come as low infectivity criteria. So we will be at a much lower risk. So ये सब चीजें अब इतनी ज़्यादा होंगी कि it will become very difficult to keep those track, because number of cases are rising so much and everybody is moving around a lot. So ये हमारा low risk का criteria है, about which I think we cannot do anything at this stage, because वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम बढ़ जाएगा for any health worker to keep that track and inform everybody, though it should be done ideally, no doubt about it. And so एक तो ये fear तो है ही है कि कोरोना की situation ऐसी है, और दूसरा जो मेरा चीज़ कहनी थी, I am saying something opposite to what Mr. Mehndi Ratta and others are saying, कि हमें सबका चेक करना चाहिए, हमें सारे गेट्स बंद करने चाहिए, हमें सब लोगों का बंद करना चाहिए। मेरा जो कंसर्न है, that's something else. We have an impending earthquake, as we all know, which is going to be there. So what is our preparedness for that? Because right now all the gates of the whole colony are closed. कल को आपकी कोई भी इमरजेंसी होती है, कोई आग लग जाती है, कोई अर्थक्वेक आ जाता है, या कोई नेचुरल कैलामिटी हो जाती है, और कोई तो कहीं से एम्बुलेंस नहीं आ पाएगी, कहीं से फायर ब्रिगेड नहीं आ पाएगी, क्योंकि आपके एक ही एंट्री और एग्जिट है, जो कि 4 गाड़ी लगते ही ब्लॉक हो जाएगा। आजकल रोज सुबह 9 बजे जब हम जाते हैं काम पे, तो वहाँ पूरी तरह लॉक लगा हुआ होता है, क्योंकि आने और जाने वाले की एक ही छोटी सड़क रह गई है। So that was one of my concerns, ki what are we going to do for other disasters?
See, you have a very genuine question. In fact, that's why I always keep saying to the government as well, whenever I sit with the government, but then I discuss that we need to do a comprehensive planning. I mean, the governance does require a comprehensive planning. And what is happening this moment, that we are reacting to the situations rather than responding in a comprehensive manner. We have to be ready. The government duty is to be ready all the time. That is not to wait that earthquake happens, then gates have to be opened, etc., etc. So there has to be sync between the RWAs and the government, sync between the RWAs and the MLA, sync between the RWAs and the MP, etc., police, everything. Now, this comprehensive disaster planning chairperson is LG, Lieutenant Governor. So far, I have not seen disaster department came into action when this corona happened, and then disaster department has been monitoring everything and then trying to do good to everything. But then I would expect a government headed by Honorable Chief Minister to respond to the situation in a comprehensive manner, and he's doing it. But then problem is such big, unfortunately. So you have raised a very valid situation, and this question has to be responded, and I will surely bring it to Honorable CM's notice that what if earthquake happens and the gates are found all locked? So this is a very worrisome and spine-chilling situation, which has to be responded in advance. And I agree with you. I'll do that.
And as it is, Bharti ji, I feel कि अगर हम gates बंद करते हैं तो वो कोरोना को कितना रोक पाएगा, वो भी एक concern है, क्योंकि I see no logic कि gate बंद करने से कोरोना रुक जाएगा.
क्या है कि basically movements रुकेगा, public रुकेगी, तो इनका एक basically वो psychological है कि जी वो गेट बंद है, वो गेट बंद है, वो गेट बंद है, तो लोगों का मूवमेंट रुक गया है. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं इसमें आप जो कह रहे हैं एलिमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ है कि लोग रुक नहीं पा रहे हैं गेट बंद होने से भी. गेट तो बंद है, लेकिन चूंकि मार्केट खुला है, बहुत सारी चीजें खुल गई हैं, अब तो सलून भी खुल गया है, तो लोग जाना चाहते हैं, और जो जाना चाहते हैं जनता पानी की तरह होती है. जैसे पानी को रोक नहीं सकता तो जनता को रोक नहीं सकता. जब तक कि आप वहां पे स्ट्रिक्टनेस ना करें, पुलिस ना लगाएं, डीएम साहब वहां पे खड़े ना हो जाएं, तो ये बड़ा बीच का सिचुएशन हो गया है. गेट से उतना कुछ तो नहीं रुक रहा, बट साइकोलॉजिकली लगता है कि जी बंद है बाहर तो मत जाओ, बाहर मत जाओ, बंद है जी, सिचुएशन है, खतरा है, ए साइकोलॉजिकल इंपैक्ट पड़ रहा है. वैसे कंटेनमेंट जोन काफी बढ़ रहे हैं, कंटेनमेंट जोन बढ़ रहे हैं. अभी मेरे क्षेत्र में 4 और बढ़ गए हैं, तो कंटेनमेंट के बाद तो सब बंद हो जाता है. इसीलिए मुझे लगता है कि एक जैसे मैं आज आपसे बात कर पा रहा हूं, तो आज से मैं I'll be carrying some messages to DM, to CM, everybody. I'll be trying to pass some messages कि जनता क्या सोच रही है, तो उस पर फिर कुछ एक्शन होगा, सरकार करेगी. थैंक यू. Ravi?
Yes, sir. I think Durgesh want to share something. I'm just unmuting.
हाँ जी, मैं डॉक्टर सिंगला के पॉइंट से एक पॉइंट शेयर करना चाह रहा था विद मेहंदीरता जी, who's from the RWA. So somehow it's a mixed sort of a thought process Green Park में कि gates किस बंद होने चाहिए या खुले होने चाहिए. I think gates बंद होने का reason is not to stop corona, but maybe what Bharti ji आपने suggest किया, that was the right thing, was to stop the flow of guests and stop the flow of unnecessary sort of people coming into the colony and raising the risk of the chances of spreading this. So maybe उससे related हो सकता है ये point. And अगर हम सोचे थोड़ा सा और कि हम अगर गुड़गांव में जाते हैं या कहीं और हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स में जहाँ पे सोसाइटीज बनी है, वहाँ पे भी मुश्किल से 1 या 2 ही गेट्स होते हैं एंट्री एग्जिट के लिए. सो ग्रीन पार्क में ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, बट आई थिंक नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. If the RWA wants, they can also plan out the entry and exit in such a way that the commute becomes easy not only for the residents but also for people who want to come and visit Green Park for some work, maybe visit their families or relatives or friends. So I think RWA उसमें सिर्फ ये सोच सकती है कि कैसे 2 gates को हम man करें, properly man करें, so that the flow of traffic is also not affected.
That's a good suggestion. जी रवि, कोई और तो नहीं है?
सर कृष्णा जी हैं, 1 सेकंड.
जी
Yeah, I just wanted to mention something about this temperature testing. this question was raised in the RWA group, at which point one doctor clearly explained that in this heat, you will get all wrong information. The body temperature, because you're out in the sun or you've been out in the heat, so the body temperature, I think Dr. Neeta Singla can corroborate that point, will not be accurate. That was one point. And the second question or the thought that comes is that what do you do if someone does enter your colony and you raise the heat gun against that person and the person has got temperature? Will you be able to stop that person from entering your colony? I have my gravest of doubts, especially if that person is a resident of the colony. Secondly, my own experience at the gate, I have done quite a little bit of duty at the gate myself. I have seen that the attitude of the people towards the guards is really pathetic. It's really inhuman. They don't even know how to talk to a person, which is very sad. If a poor guard holds a gun against your forehead and says, you got fever, you can't enter, if that is the instruction given to him, you think a colony resident is going to accept that? I don't think so. So this entire purpose of using a heat gun in this temperature does not serve the purpose. It's just a waste of money and effort. That was one question. The second point I wanted to raise was, Durgesh said that if this had been put in the RWA group, we would have had more participants. Unfortunately, whenever I put any suggestion by you in the RWA group, and I'm going to speak it openly now, is that people raise objections that this isn't, the minute something I put about you, people raise objections that this is an apolitical group, even though they may be putting things themselves, which are very political. And nobody objects to or understands that what has been put over there has something to do in their interest. So prejudice plays a very big game in people foolishly not using these platforms to create a better situation for themselves. This is my observation, and therefore I don't feel very encouraged putting it. I wanted to put it, but I don't feel very encouraged putting it there, because except to give negative remarks, nothing else really materializes. You see, even in the Mohalla group, there are 160 odd participants in that group. And look at the number of people who have really appeared. And I have individually sent to the people who normally don't participate. I didn't send to Durgesh, or I didn't send to Namita, or I didn't send personally to those people. But I sent personal messages to all the others to ensure that they participate, because to make them feel that they are important or whatever. But there's no response. How do you go about doing anything like this if there is no response?
Okay, so let me answer the questions one by one.
Yeah.
First was that when the guards point the gun to any resident and he has temperatures. See, it is a long struggle. It's not so easy. Okay? You have to enable it. See, society has its own set of rules. And I have always said this, that there is no caste division, there is no religion division, there is no reason division among the people. We are divided by in two groups. One is exploiter, one exploited. Okay. So there is a sort of, the kind of look at the guard, अच्छा guard है, अच्छा रिक्शा वाला है, अच्छा फ्रूट वाला है, तो जिसकी जहां चलती वहां चलाता है. अगर वहीं पे कोई व्यक्ति खड़ा हो जाए जो कि मानो दुर्गेश खड़ा हो जाए, तो दुर्गेश को नहीं बोल पाएंगे. दुर्गेश will be the moment he says कि जी भाई साहब टेम्परेचर आपका है, so he will be able to give him address, etc. So what I'm saying, try to enable. Let's say you have a CCTV camera pointed towards that gate. Let's say you have a big, sort of instructional board that अगर आपको टेम्परेचर पॉजिटिव पाया जाता है, तो आपके जानो खतरा है, आपको कोरोना पॉजिटिव हो सकता है, तो आप अगर कहेंगे तो हम आपको टेस्ट करा दें. So you have some allurement thing attached to it. ठीक है? Be more informative, be more facilitating affair kind of thing. So तब हो जाएगा. और इस बात को फैलाइए कि जी गार्ड जो टेस्ट कर रहा है वो आपके फायदे में है, आपके इंटरेस्ट में है. और गार्ड ने सिर्फ लिख लेना है कि जी फलाने व्यक्ति आए थे, फलाने घर के एड्रेस पे आए थे, आप विजिटर बुक में लिखवा लो सबसे, जो लोग एंट्री करते हैं, तो फैसिलिटेट करोगे तो हो जाएगा। हमारे यहाँ 2-4 कॉलोनी में उन्होंने किया है, कैमरे लगा दिए हैं, विजिटर्स बुक वहां पे लिख दिया है, गन दे दिया है गार्ड को, तो लोग ग्रेजुअली एक्सेप्ट कर लिया लोगों ने। स्ट्रगल है। सेकंड पॉइंट आपका था कि आपने इसमें मोहल्ला ग्रुप में क्यों नहीं डाला, आरडब्ल्यू में क्यों नहीं डाला? अब देखिए कारण क्या है कृष्णा जी ने, पहले आई मीन इट टेक्स टाइम। सोमनाथ भारती की एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी जनता में ग्रेजुअली इतनी बढ़ गई है कि आपने जो मोहल्ला एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, जो मोहल्ला सभाएं करी, जो अपफ्रंट ट्रांसपेरेंट रहे, तो वक्त लगता है। पहले पार्टियां बटी हुई थी, या तो भाजपा में लोग थे या कांग्रेस में लोग थे, तो अब आपने एक नया ऑप्शन दिया है। मोहल्ला ग्रुप के जरिए जो आपकी पॉजिटिविटी क्रिएट हुए, लोगों को समझ में आया है, लोगों ने सोमनाथ भारती को सुना है, समझा है, वक्त लगता है, इसमें एजिटेट होने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप सिर्फ फैसिलिटेट कर रहे हो। जैसे आप मान लो कल एमपी ने कहा कि जी मुझे जनता से बात करनी है, तो ये तो इंफॉर्मेशन जाना ही चाहिए, इंफॉर्मेशन जाना चाहिए। तो RWA will have to accept everybody. RWA cannot be political at all. RWA has to remain apolitical. सोमनाथ भारती is not of आम आदमी पार्टी per se. मैं एमएलए हूँ, आपने मुझे एमएलए बना दिया है, मैं सबका हूँ। क्षेत्र में एक व्यक्ति नहीं है जो कह सकता है कि मैं भाजपा का था, सोमनाथ जी के पास गया, काम नहीं कराया। मेरे यहाँ भाजपा के हों, कांग्रेस के हों, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के हों, जिस किसी को दुख है, अगर मेरे नजर में आ गया और परमात्मा ने मुझे शक्ति दी है, तो रात हो, दिन हो, बारिश हो, धूप हो, जब मर्जी, और जहां कहीं जाना हो, तो मैं परमात्मा ने जो ड्यूटी दी आप लोगों के माध्यम से, उसको करने में कोई कसर छोड़ता नहीं हूँ। तो ये बात धीरे धीरे जा रही है, और ये मोहल्ला सभा की तो नॉलेज जानी चाहिए थी वहाँ RW ग्रुप में। अगर वो मना करते तो फिर बात करते हैं उनसे। तीसरा जो बात आप
मना कर रहा है सर, RWA नहीं मना कर रहा है। It is not the RWA which is saying no. It is the people who are saying कि don't put these things here.
No. So you are fully facilitating.
Durgesh is not supporting me there. I'm complaining. Durgesh should fight.
वहाँ सपोर्ट करो उनको। अब ये जो 160 लोग हमारे मेंबर्स और वो नहीं आ पाए, देखिए कृष्णा जी, मैं इस बात का समर्थक रहा हूँ कि क्लासरूम में ना बच्चों को फोर्सिबली लेके नहीं आना है। अगर उनको मैं अट्रैक्टिव हूँ, अगर मेरी बातें अट्रैक्टिव हैं, अगर कोई समस्या उनको शेयर करनी है तो बिल्कुल आएंगे।
बिल्कुल।
Let us create a pull.
I agree there.
This will not work in my understanding. So my honorable members of the group, if they feel that there is a pull, they want to listen to Somnath Bharti, they want to listen on the government policies. If the government policies are very interesting to them, they want to remain updated, they will come. Let's create a pull. Gradually things will happen. That's my understanding.
Sir, Uma ji want to share something.
Hello.
जी.
I think it's my turn. Sir, मैं उमा गुप्ता पहली बार आपसे मोहल्ला सभा मीटिंग के थ्रू जुड़ रही हूँ. मेरी नमस्कार सर. सर मेरा ये कंसर्न है, आई एम श्योर सबका कंसर्न होगा कि अभी हमें मोहल्ला सभा के थ्रू, आई मीन during this pandemic time, we have to save ourselves, especially with COVID, through social distancing and through taking care a lot of hygiene things. But sir, more अभी प्रॉब्लम ये भी बहुत ज्यादा है कि अगर हमें इस दौरान कोई और समस्या आ जाती है या हमें कोई और मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, especially with the old senior citizens, where to go? Because recently my father had a little neuro attack and we were just told to go to nearby any clinic. I went to Sukhmani, they said no. I went to Ashlok, they said no. I went immediately run. Huh?
Was it for COVID positive?
No, he was not at all. He just had a small, very small neuro attack where he was not in his senses, which is like a neuro का उनका treatment बहुत time से चल रहा है. तो बीच में सोडियम की कमी होने से कुछ मेजर अटैक उनको आ गया था. I mean थोड़ा सा अटैक आ गया था. Fortunately sir, मैं क्या बोलूं कि बस हम लोग नहीं जा पाए कहीं पे भी, एंड कुछ हमने कॉल ले ली कि हम नहीं जा रहे हैं, एंड नेक्स्ट डे ही वाज ओके. बट सर इशू इज, अगर सिचुएशन बढ़ जाती तो आशुलोक ने लेने से साफ मना कर दिया, सुखमनी ने लेने से साफ मना कर दिया. ऐसी सिचुएशन में जो बंदा कोई कोरोना पॉजिटिव नहीं है और उसके साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है तो वो कहाँ जाए इमरजेंसी में सर?
मोहल्ला प्लेटफॉर्म को समझो सैक्रोसैंक्ट टूल, आप वहां डालो। और मेरी उपलब्धता करीब करीब 3 बजे दोपहर 3 बजे सवेरे तक रहती है, मैं काफी लेट सोता हूँ, तो मतलब इमरजेंसी में आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। अभी इतना आसान हो गया है कि वो 3-4 दिन पहले एक व्यक्ति ने रात को 3 बजे मुझे फोन किया कि भाई साहब लाइट नहीं है, तो इन मामलों के लिए नहीं, लेकिन जो सीरियस मामले हैं, सीरियस मामले, उसके लिए मैं हमेशा उपलब्ध हूँ आपके लिए। कहीं आग लग जाए, तबीयत खराब हो जाए, कोई चोरी हो जाए, डकैती हो जाए, तो आप 3 बजे से मुझे फोन कर सकते हो। और उसके बाद भी मैं व्यवस्था बना रहा हूँ कि 24 आवर्स का मैं एक हेल्पलाइन चलाऊं। करीब करीब चलता ही 24 आवर्स, कोई ना कोई आपको रिस्पॉन्ड कर देगा। तो मोहल्ला सभा को आप एक मानिए टूल जो आपको दे रखा है मैंने, आप वहां डालें। मैं जरूर वहां उसको, क्योंकि मैं फैमिली की तरह आपको मानता हूँ, आपने पीछे देखा ही होगा, मैं क्षेत्र के व्यक्ति के घर में बड़ी की डेथ हो गई, तो मैं गया शमशान घाट में संस्कार करके आया, मैं परिवार मानता हूँ। इसलिए कभी भी हिचकिचाए नहीं, मैं और नेताओं की तरह नहीं हूँ, आप मुझे रात को कॉल कर सकते हो, ठीक है? डोंट वरी ऑन दैट पार्ट।
सर एक सजेशन और है, जो एम्बुलेंस घूम रही है जगह जगह, दे शुड हैव सम स्पेयर किट आल्सो ऑफ पीपीई। सपोज मुझे अपने फादर को लेके जाना पड़ता, यू नो, एंड मुझे हो सकता है उनको किसी बड़े हॉस्पिटल में भी लेके जाना पड़ता, तो वी हैव नॉट यू नो टेकन एनी स्पेयर किट्स एट आवर होम। तो बंदा जो पॉजिटिव नहीं है, या जो बंदा दोनों ही जने कोरोना के नहीं है विक्टिम्स, तो एटलीस्ट दे कैन वेयर दैट पीपीई किट मे बी ऑन द पेमेंट बेसिस आल्सो। दिस इज जस्ट
वेरी गुड
because
can you give me, I think it's a request of yours, this session of yours, so that I can forward it to the department. Is it possible?
Sure sir, sure I'll do it.
Very good.
Thank you sir, thank you for your time, and I'm sure ये मेरा जो concern है सभी का concern है, because other than COVID also there are so many health issues, there are so many medical emergencies. Where will we go? हाँ, thank you.
क्या करते हैं आप?
अच्छा सर, मैं जॉब करती हूँ, आई वर्क विद टाटा सन्स।
अच्छा अच्छा,
आई टेक्स केयर द इवेंट्स, और अभी आजकल इवेंट्स तो हो नहीं रहे सर कुछ भी, तो
नहीं, आई वांटेड टू टेक सम ऑफ योर हेल्प टू मैनेज कपल ऑफ सिचुएशंस इन माय कंस्टिट्यूएंसी, सो आई विल टॉक टू यू ऑफलाइन।
श्योर सर,
थैंक यू।
सर मिस्टर रतन कॉल।
हाँ,
हेलो
जी, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है कि मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं। बेसिकली अभी जो उमा जी ने ये पॉइंट्स उठाए हैं, मैं थोड़ा सा उनको और आगे ले जाना चाहता हूँ कि आपने बहुत अच्छा किया ये टेस्टिंग का, जैसे अभी आपने अरेंजमेंट कराया है अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में
जी।
इसको मैं थोड़ा सा एक ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव में ले जाना चाहता हूँ कि सपोज कोई सीनियर सिटीजन है जिसके पास अपनी फैसिलिटी नहीं है ट्रांसपोर्ट की, तो अगर वो जाना चाहे टेस्टिंग के लिए, तो उसके लिए कोई वन विंडो सर्विस है क्या कि वो कहे कि मुझे टेस्टिंग करवाना है, तो कोई एम्बुलेंस उसके पास आ जाए और वो एम्बुलेंस से वहां पर टेस्टिंग सेंटर में जाके टेस्टिंग कराए। इसी पॉइंट को एक और स्टेप फर्दर में ले जाना चाहता हूँ कि जो आपने एक कोरोना दिल्ली की वेबसाइट बनाई है जिसमें कि अवेलेबिलिटी है हॉस्पिटल्स की और उनके एड्रेसेस वगैरह दिए हुए हैं, तो क्यों ना उसको एक सेंट्रलाइज प्लेटफॉर्म, एक वन विंडो प्लेटफॉर्म बनाए। किसी आदमी को अगर कोई इवेंचुअलिटी है तो वो खाली उस ऐप में जाए, और जो ही वो ऐप में जाए उसके बाद उसको पूरी हेल्प in terms of testing, in terms of ambulances, in terms of admission to the hospital, एक वन विंडो सर्विस हो उसको। जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल आज हमको कोई फ्लाइट की टिकट लेनी होती है, हम वेबसाइट पर जाते हैं, बुकिंग कराते हैं, उसके बाद जो है पूरा का पूरा अरेंजमेंट जो है ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है। तो अभी जितना हम लोग आईटी में इतनी प्रोग्रेस किए हैं, so why can't we have a dynamic website where there will be 24-hour updation of the hospital bed availability, plus ambulance availability, plus doctor availability. I mean, all the things which are required in case of an eventuality. तो इन चीजों में मैं आपकी बहुत मदद चाहता हूं कि अगर इस तरह का चीज हो जाए तो then everybody is assured कि अगर ऐसी कोई, क्योंकि इवेंचुअलिटी तो देखिए कभी भी आ सकती है और तो आएगी ही जैसा केस बढ़ रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए क्या हम इस तरह का एक डायनेमिक प्लेटफॉर्म बना सकते हैं क्या?
That's a very good suggestion because ये जो दिल्ली कोरोना वेबसाइट है, there are two things. One is an app and second is a website. तो वेबसाइट पे कुमुलेटिवली ऐसे इंफॉर्मेशन दिए हुए हैं, अगर आप ढंग से देखेंगे तो. नहीं तो मैं आपको लिंक भेजूंगा आफ्टर द सेशन and just have a look at it. Whatever is missing from its suggestions, I will surely ask the government to look into it.
हाँ जी, मैं थोड़ा सा आईटी में भी इन्वॉल्व हूँ, तो मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि जैसे आप कह रहे हैं एक वेबसाइट है, एक ऐप है, व्हाई कांट वी हैव जस्ट वन थिंग? चाहे वेबसाइट को हम सेंट्रल बनाएं, चाहे ऐप को किसी एक चीज को बनाएं, एक जगह पर हम जाएं, तो उसी जगह पर हमको सारी फैसिलिटी इंक्लूडिंग एम्बुलेंस. देखिए एम्बुलेंस की अभी कोई फैसिलिटी उसमें न तो कोरोना दिल्ली में है, न आपकी वेबसाइट पर है, दोनों में नहीं है. तो वो भी उसी जगह आना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स वंस द पर्सन अप्रोचेस दिस साइट और प्लेटफॉर्म, then he should rest assured that I'll be taken care of, because I have been paying access.
There is one phone number 1031. Okay. अगर उस पे आप डायल करें तो सभी, there is one sort of conclusive thing, उस पे सारी हेल्प मिलेगी आपको. आपको एम्बुलेंस की भी हेल्प मिलेगी, आपको बेड की भी हेल्प मिलेगी, आपको कंप्लेंट करने की भी हेल्प मिलेगी. 1031 सब कुछ के लिए.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
जी, and it's my pleasure to speak to you today and see that you are in IT. तो मेरा टीम आपसे बात करेगा, तो आपसे थोड़ा हेल्प लेंगे IT में.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So I think we are done.
All right. So I have it's an excellent session today, and it was a great opportunity for me to know a lot of views of the residents of Gotham or Green Park, Maine. And two things more I wanted to say. One is there were three situations in Green Park. One was this Kargi school. Possibly a couple of weeks back, there was a situation by which Delhi High Court, on a petition filed by a resident, it was decided by the High Court that you have to ensure social distancing, etc. And then they started, they had moved, patients and relatives from those night shelters to Gargi school. So, we kept talking and I kept discussing with the authorities, etc. Then finally, we succeeded. Somnath Bharti or MLA succeeded to get them moved out of that premise. One. Second was that Green Park Extension Community Center was, sort of being considered by the government to be used as quarantine center. Then residents approached me, and then there also your MLA succeeded to get it halted. Third was cremation ground. Green Park cremation ground was being considered. No authority agreed. It was only in the media once, but there was a lot of confusion and worry all around. So there also your MLA succeeded to get a word from promise from Commissioner MCD, DM South Delhi, that this will not be used as a COVID crematory. So, but then there is a disease called credit-seeking syndrome that happens in the politicians. So there were a lot of attempts. Maine kiya. I said, all right, whoever wants to take credit, let them take credit. But this is a good news for all the residents of your Green Park, Maine, Green Park Extension, Arjun Nagar, that all three were handled in the interest of the residents. So my friends, this experiment of Mohalla Sabha WhatsApp groups and e-Mohalla meeting would continue to serve you all the time. Anytime you face any problem, do get back to us. We'll try to serve you to the best possible extent. Ravi, Durgesh wants to say something. Just pick him up.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Yeah, Durgesh, go ahead.
Thank you. So there are 2 points which I wanted to sort of discuss with you. एक आपने जो suggestion दिया था भारती जी की on the entry gate of Green Park, maybe some billboard or some notice board can go up, जिसमें कि लिखा जाए, some sort of instruction should be there to educate the people of Green Park also. क्योंकि कई बारी क्या होता है बोलने का असर कम होता है और लिखा हो तो it's sort of a public announcement. So who should be doing this? The RWA should be doing this, or who should be sort of the point of contact to put up this sort of an information? This was question number one. Hanji?
RWA should do this because RWA has to take care of the colony. In case they want any, I'm willing to give that.
That answers. Second cheese, what Krishna ji said, I fully endorse her thoughts. What she was saying that there's a lot of sort of opposition when such messages are posted on the RWA. So my suggestion was that instead of Krishna ji posting it, maybe the president RWA or somebody from the RWA EC can do that, so that it goes from the RWA. It is sort of a message which is communicated by the RWA to its resident members कि भाई अपने MLA के साथ अपनी meeting fix हम करवा रहे हैं. So anybody, it's sort of a free will. कोई participate करना चाहता है करे, जो नहीं करना चाहता, there are people who may oppose it. But I guess if the channel of communication goes from the president, so maybe it will be more effective. That is my thought process. क्योंकि usually मैंने देखा है कृष्णा जी के वो messages आते हैं तो काफी opposition आ जाता है उस group में. And तीसरी चीज what Ratan Kaul ji said, I think वो app will be an important tool to develop. I was actually going through that app right now, the Daily Corona, and surprisingly I find something, an advertisement which says play video. मतलब इस पे there's a link which says play video. I'm not too sure who would be in the frame of mind to actually go and click on play video if somebody is going for getting some information. So maybe something needs to be done on that app also, so that it is more informative, what Mr. Kaul suggested. So these were my sort of,
you can send me suggestions in writing on the WhatsApp. I'll forward that to the team.
Perfect. That was it from my side, sir.
Thank you. So God bless you all, and everybody must enjoy life. Don't get scared of Corona. Corona is there only for the time being. Our relationships must not get hampered by this. We should not speak harsh against each other. Corona will come and go, and but we have to remain in here only. Green Park will remain here. People will remain here. We'll keep, talking to each other, being of help to each other. Corona must not affect our relationship. And I'm always there for you. Anytime you need help, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can talk to the Mohalla coordinator, and we'll be there available to you selflessly. Whichever party you may belong to doesn't matter to me. Thank you. God bless you. And see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.